Hello everybody, my name is Morgan Meggs here at Lexus of Jacksonville in the Technology Department, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set your auto-tilting side view mirrors when shifting into reverse. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into today's video. Shift into reverse and set your side view mirrors so you're able to see any obstacles when backing up. The next time you shift into reverse, your side view mirrors will tilt to their previous setting. Shifting out of reverse restores your normal side view mirror settings. Alright everybody, that's going to conclude today's video on setting the auto-tilting side view mirrors when shifting into reverse. Please be sure to email us or give us a call with any questions, comments, or concerns. Thank you for watching.